Unlocking the Magic. Understanding Wizard's Workshop. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that sparks imagination and curiosity. Wizard's Workshop. Whether you're a fan of fantasy stories or just eager to expand your English vocabulary, this video will uncover the layers of meaning behind this intriguing expression. So, let's embark on this magical journey together. First, let's dissect the phrase, Wizard's Workshop, into two parts, wizard and workshop. A wizard is a term often found in fantasy literature and folklore, referring to a person, usually male, who possesses magical powers. They're akin to sorcerers, magicians, or spellcasters, conjuring up images of someone who can perform spells, brew potions, and perhaps even converse with mythical creatures. On the other hand, a workshop is a place where work is done. It could be a room, a small building, or a space where craftspeople, artists, or mechanics create, build, or repair things. It's a place of creativity, labor, and production. When combined, Wizard's Workshop suggests a special space where a wizard conducts his magical experiments, crafts spells, or creates magical objects. It's not just any room, but a sanctum of mystical activities and enchantments. The phrase, Wizard's Workshop, evokes a sense of wonder and mystery. It transports us to a world where the impossible becomes possible. In literature, film, and art, a wizard's workshop is often depicted as a cluttered, intriguing space filled with strange artifacts, ancient books, mysterious potions, and magical instruments. It's a place of knowledge and power, where elements of the natural and supernatural worlds intertwine. For learners of English, encountering such phrases can enrich your vocabulary and enhance your understanding of cultural and literary references. It opens a window into the imaginative and creative use of language, showing how words can paint vivid pictures and tell captivating stories. The concept of a wizard's workshop is deeply rooted in mythology, fantasy literature, and popular culture. From the wise and powerful Merlin of Arthurian legend to the beloved character of Dumbledore in the Harry Potter series, wizards have always captured our collective imagination. Their workshops, often shrouded in secrecy and magic, symbolize the heart of their mystical prowess and the source of their magical creations. Exploring this phrase also allows English language learners to delve into the rich tapestry of stories and myths that have shaped the language. It's an opportunity to understand the cultural narratives that influence how English is used in creative expression. We hope you've enjoyed this enchanting exploration of the phrase, Wizard's Workshop. It's more than just a combination of words. It's a gateway to stories, imagination, and the magic of the English language. Whether you're reading a fantasy novel, watching a movie, or crafting your own tales, remembering the depth and wonder behind phrases like this can enhance your language learning journey. Thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and may your language learning path be as magical as a wizard's workshop. See you in our next video.